In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up bookmarks in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. After you click the menu, move your cursor to Bookmarks. In some versions of Chrome, this may appear as Bookmarks and Lists. When that menu opens, select Bookmark Manager page is open. Look again to the top right area of that page. You will see another three-dot menu. Click that menu to open more options related specifically to your bookmarks. From the list, choose Export Bookmarks. After that, a save window will appear. Choose the location where you want to keep the backup file. A simple option is your desktop, because it is easy to find later, but you can save it anywhere that works best for you. After choosing the location, click Save. Chrome will then export your bookmarks and create the backup file for you. It is a good idea to keep this file in a place that you will remember. If your bookmarks are important, you may also want to store a copy in another safe location, such as a backup folder on your computer. That covers everything you need to know.